Hi everybody, this is Atik. Welcome to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Many of the students, irrespective of their branches, they are interested in coding. And their first question is, sir, can I able to develop code? Can I able to write programs or with my own? And if I want to become a programmer, if I want to start developing code, then which language should I learn first? What is the first step from which I can start my progress in coding? So if you are having all these questions in your mind, then you came to the correct video. So here in my simple terminology, I am going to specify the steps by which you can able to learn coding very easily without any problem and without any trouble. So dear students, no matter from which branch you belongs, okay, if you are a computer science and engineering student, if you are an IT student, then all the basics of programming languages will be available in your academics, and with that with that idea you can able to learn coding. But if you are a student from non-technical branches, even though you are interested to learn coding, then what is the first thing you need to do? So if you want to become expert in coding, then there are three steps. These three programming languages, if you learn properly, then you can go in any field and you can learn any other programming language without any problem. So what are those three steps? Let me point out here. Step number one, you are very new to coding, you don't know anything in coding, then you need to learn one programming language, that is C language. This is the first step. Start learning the C language as early as possible. No need of any other programming language idea, no need of any other coding idea. Directly from the scratch, you should learn C language. This is the first step that you need to do. Okay, once you got an idea, once you have learned C language, then you know what is a program. What is a program? You can able to tell program is a set of instructions. What is a software? Software is a collection of programs. Now you came into the family of coding now. Once you start learning C language, you will able to differentiate what is a program, what is an instruction, what is a software, what is compiler, okay, what is source program, what is the meaning of machine language program. Each and everything you can able to differentiate once you complete step one, that is C language. C language is the first step which I believe it is mandatory for every person to learn if they are interested to code. Okay, once the C language is completed, then step number two. Now you got the taste of coding now. Now you want to have some more improvisation on that. Then I believe you go for the next programming language, which is Java programming language. Here I will recommend to you first to go through the core Java concepts, then you can come to the advanced Java concepts. Okay. So first step here is core and the second step here is advanced. So dear students, you will get one doubt, sir, why we need to understand Java, sir? Already we got idea in C language. Java programming language is one of the popular programming language in developing real-time applications. Now in Java, object-oriented features concepts are added. So now in C language, you will get the taste of procedure-oriented features. In Java, you will get the taste of object-oriented features. Now you got some grip now in coding. Now you became a little bit expert in coding now. Then to move to the last step to learn coding, that is step number 3, that is the Python programming language, which is one of the most popular and in demand programming language at present. Now also just pause this video, search in Google, which programming language should I learn in 2022? Now immediately we will get the answer in the top list, Python. So dear students, that is the craze of Python. Many of the people, they are doing only this small mistake. What is this mistake? Even though this small mistake will act as will destroy their career actually in terms of coding. What is that? Directly they are going to this last step. The students or the people who don't know anything in coding, directly they want to learn Python. Why? What answer they will reply? No, Python is the most popular language. No, sir. Why we need to learn C? Why we need to learn Java, sir? Directly I am going to learn Python. If you try to learn directly Python, my dear students, you will not get the grip, first of all. Okay. Everything should be started from scratch only. Then only we will become perfect. If we want to construct a house, if a civil engineer has planned to construct a house, the last step of the house will be the painting, which will give a beautiful picture to the house. But let us say, if the foundation is not strong, if the base is not strong, then automatically there is a chance that the house may fall at any time. There is no use of that beauty. So the foundation that will be given for any person who want to learn coding, if you are a beginner, is the C language. Once your basic foundation is strong, then you will go to the construction of house, which is your Java programming language. Once the construction of house is ready, then you are going to make that house very beautiful with various types of attractive equipments. That is your Python programming language. Once these three you have learned properly, then you are ready to go into advanced field of coding. You are ready to go into the advanced field of programming. So dear students, I believe that you got a clear idea about how you are going to start coding if you are a beginner. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.